you how to use this VPN application here. So make sure to watch full video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very simple layout. Nothing not for you to not understand. Down here you have the Netherlands option. This is pretty much where you will see all the servers available. And these are pretty much all the free servers. Over here, the VIP section, you pretty much will need a subscription to pretty much see all these servers. So you can tap on the upgrade to VIP, and you do get a 3 days free trial, which you can test out the VIP servers. And also, as you can see here, their prices for your subscription and your monthly subscription. So once you have selected your server, you pretty much can just stop and start here. Once you have
with Super VPN,
you may see an ads, just X off the ads, and VPN will start connecting in no time. So it's a very simple VPN. The speed is decent. I would say decent, not that bad, but very good VPN application nonetheless. And if I miss anything at all in this VPN tutorial, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. And if there's any problem, comment below. See you in the next one.